Dave's desk. Ba-da-ba. Sit down, don't stress, get your best thoughts.
Welcome to another round of What's on Dave's Desk. There definitely needs to be a jingle there, and Martha's going to act on that one because I fed that back before. So we'll put a little jingly background on there. But today we've got some brand new products, and some of them are very brand new, to the point where some of you would not even have seen them yet. So we're super excited to do that. So we're just going to move little goatee out the way. There we go. We're going to start here with this brand new, or it's not brand new, but it's new to us, this Fireray. So most of you know we've been in fire for 18 months now. We sell lots and lots of fire brands, accessories, panels, detectors, and this is just one of them. This particular one, as you can see there, is the Hochiki one. So it comes with the manual, but everything you need is in the box. So it's like the kit you can see there. So we've got the Fire Beam, ESP Fire Beam Extra. There you go, so the whole kit is in there, and again we do some accessories around there. So great for like sort of like a famous farm I went to recently in West Wales, where they had them all at the rooftops, like big barn styles, all across the, like nearly at the ceiling height, to cover the ceiling so any smoke that rises is detected and then triggers it. Of course it's got to be obstacle free, because if there's an obstacle in the way it's not going to work, but it's a really good way of detecting fire. Okay, so that's one of the products I wanted to introduce to you. So I'm just going to move this out of the way. One of the other things I wanted to do, this battery. So of course, every fire panel needs a battery. We've partnered with Casil, is one of the fire rated batteries that we offer, and we've got lots of different versions of this. We've got about 10 to 12 different versions of batteries, depending on the loading that was required. So all you need to do is speak to your DVS sales rep or UK fire and safety rep, and we can tell you what batteries you've got and what batteries you need to, using the load calculation tools, etc. But again, this great fire rated Casil battery in stock, always ready to go. You can see there, FR. This is another great product. So one of the really exciting developments from our partner here, Suprema. So I'm going to bring this up. It's very difficult to show this new element, but like using the GoPro, Biostar X is their new software, effectively. So if you used the older software, which many of you did, we still got it running here. So the Biostar X is a brand new interface. We've upgraded it. We're in the process of getting content made so we can deliver that to you. Brand new platform, brand new user experience. The GUI is really fantastic, really slick, really powerful, lots of new integrations and stuff. Leading on from the Biostar X software, and we're going to bring you over to these brand new products here. So Biostar Air is the move for them into a true cloud access control offering. So of course, you have the hardware on the site ready to go. You link it to their cloud-based platform, which then allows you to manage all of the devices and all of the users and the access rights, all remotely via the Biostar Air web interface. But one of the ones I really wanted to show you was this BioEntry W3 unit, which is Biostar Air compatible. So if we just get this out, this is a simple unit. Well, it's not simple, it's actually really comprehensive. But you can see there, plug it into the PoE, get it installed. It's got face rec on there, little integrated LCD screen, a really slick and powerful unit, and one that we can add directly to the cloud access control platform, Biostar Air, and it's license based, and we can do all the administration. So it's moving away from a traditional on-prem model to a centralized cloud converged hybrid model, because obviously you still do need the hardware on site. I've got a very brief selection of 4 of these new products here, and we'll touch on the last one shortly. But as you can see, we've got the brand new 2.1 series. So you can see there through the power of the GoPro, brand new. It's the PTRZ network camera. So it's a 2.1 series, so it's the very small form factor. This one's in 4 megapixel, as you can see there, but it has got the IR, integrated IR, 2 dual microphones. It's got the AccuSense 3.0 powered by Darkfire. It's also got the 2.8 to 4mm point-to-point, which is the web selectable. It's not motorized zoom lens effectively. You can dial in and it comes with both 2.8 or 4mm options. You change it in the web browser, so one camera covers both eventualities. Less stock for us, less confusing for you, and it's simple for you to just go into the web browser and choose that functionality in there. Now, one of the most exciting ones we've got here is this brand new ColorVu 3.0 with the enhanced AI dual microphone, corrosion resistant. Yes, we got it out of the way. A 12 megapixel, 180 degree stitched image bullet camera. We have already got this fitted outside. This is just an empty box. We've got these on order. They are due in to us soon. So keep in contact with the DVS sales rep. They can give you lead times and prices. Now, moving on to my most favorite one is this. So if you thought 12 megapixel was good, 16 megapixel is even better. Yep, bigger is better in this instance. 16 megapixels of image. Again, in that very traditional turret style. AccuSeek technology, ColorVu 3.0, AccuSense 3.0, Audio 2.0. It's got the active deterrent built into it. So all of the latest technology in a very lovely turret format. But again, 16 megapixel in a stitched 180 degree image. Okay, so moving on. So it is the new ColorVu 3.0 with the active deterrent, dual microphone and the PTRZ technology. This is just an 8 megapixel. It sounds like it's terrible when we were just talking about 12 and 16, but it's still 8 megapixels, 4K. Fantastic addition to the range. And again, fitted outside, more content delivered specifically soon. And the last product, again from our lovely partner at Hikvision, is this tandem view. So this is great for domestic small shops, like cost-effective installations where you want a small form factor, really cost-effective, like a small PTZ camera but with a fixed lens overview, Overwatch camera. So again, PoE. I just really wanted to demonstrate. We've had these for a while, but I really wanted to demonstrate to you guys what these look like from a physical perspective, because I think many people forget that we stock these. So just take it out the box quickly just to show you. You can see there, it's ultra lightweight, really well designed. But again, you've got the typical PTZ module there, the fixed lens wide view camera as Overwatch, and it's got the two-way audio, really light PoE, Height Connect compatible, 2.8mm lens on it. It's really, really cost effective, but packs a real punch given its weight. So we're super excited about that one, aren't we, Dave? Yes, we are. So again, these are actually in stock already. So all you need to do is get a price from our website or from your DVS sales rep. So Martha, moving on. We have had some questions, which we're going to helpfully be passed to me now. Look at that. My glamorous assistant, Martha. I couldn't do this job without her. It's not all about Jake and Mike in marketing. Martha is the one. So thank you very much for dropping me this. So two questions we've had is, hi Di, do you have a list of Hikvision installers in the Swansea and Carmarthenshire area? So Carmarthenshire area, I should say that properly. Actually, yes, we do. If you go to our website, there is an area on our website where people can look for installers in their area. We have replied to your comment already, and thank you for that comment. And again, if anybody wants to link up with an installer because you want to use Hikvision technology or any of the technology and brands and partners that we sell, then either go onto our website, use the Real Installers area, and you can find those perfect matches for you there, or we can link it up via our salespeople. So either way, we're happy to provide that service for you. So the next question is, I'm not even going to be able to say who it's from. That's a very complicated name. Marvin Amelias 25555 something, but great, thank you again. So the next question is, hey Dave, I have a problem with a camera and I don't know if you can assist. So it depends on what that problem is, so it wasn't expanded on, but yes, we can always assist. We do have technical support, FAQs on our website. We have a whole YouTube channel, which most people go to our YouTube channel. Just type in DVS in YouTube. There's so much fault finding, setup and commissioning, talk through, walkthroughs. All the guides are on there, so first place would always be the YouTube channel in my opinion, and we do have lots of guides and support on our website. And if it is a product you bought from us, of course, contact us through our website using our email address, either call up and use our phone number or contact us through your sales rep. So many ways to get in contact, but again, we do only support customers directly when the product is from DVS. But again, if you do need help, go and reference the sources I've checked if you didn't buy it from us, or if you are an end user, and if you're still stuck, drop us a message and we'll see if we can signpost you to the right area. We thank you so much for all the comments, feedback, shares and likes that you have given us so far. We love doing this and we're getting loads of engagement from our supply chain, so we absolutely love it. We hope you enjoyed the video. Some great technology come out. Some of it is here now, some of it will be landing really, really shortly, but do stay in contact with your DVS sales rep for up-to-date information. Other than that, we'll see you in a couple of weeks with Martha for another What's on Dave's Desk.
Ba-da-ba. Sit down, don't stress, get your best thoughts at Dave's Desk.